What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are a type of digital or virtual currency that use advanced technology to secure transactions and control their creation. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, such as the US dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks and are not governed by any central authority. Here's a quick breakdown of key points. Digital nature. Cryptocurrencies exist purely in digital form. They don't have physical counterparts like coins or paper money. Instead, they are represented electronically, often as lines of code on a blockchain. In this course, we will refer to them as digital tokens or digital assets. Together, we will send and receive crypto tokens using several different blockchains. Decentralization. Unlike traditional banking systems where a central authority like a bank or government oversees transactions, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks. Transactions are verified in recording by a distributed network of computers called nodes all around the world. Today, Bitcoin is widely considered as one of the most decentralized digital currencies, if not the most decentralized. Blockchain technology. Most cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology, which is a type of digital ledger. It records all transactions in a secure, transparent, and chronological manner. We will cover this in more detail throughout the course. So don't worry if things are a little bit confusing, we've got you covered. Together, we will send and receive crypto tokens using several different blockchains. Cryptography. The name cryptocurrency comes from the use of cryptographic techniques used to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. This ensures the security and integrity of the currency, making it difficult for unauthorized parties to manipulate transactions. Limited supply. Many cryptocurrencies have a predefined maximum supply. For instance, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin ever in existence. This limited supply can contribute to their value in terms of scarcity, much like precious metals. Global accessibility. Cryptocurrencies can be accessed and used by anyone with an internet connection. This accessibility has the potential to bring financial services to people who may not have access to traditional banking systems. In my opinion, this is one of the best aspects of cryptocurrencies. Use cases. While the most well-known use case of cryptocurrencies is a form of digital currency for transactions, they can also be used for various other purposes. Some cryptocurrencies support smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with predefined rules. Others are designed for specific industries like supply chain management or identity verification. Later on, we will go over some of these key sectors and help you identify potential winners. Volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, as you may have seen in the past, meaning that their values can change rapidly over a short period of time. This volatility offers both opportunities for profit and risk for those who invest and use cryptocurrencies. Personally, I tend to buy and hold the best digital assets, focusing on time in the market versus trying to time the market. In this course, we will not tell you to buy any specific token or to invest in anything specifically. Invest at your own risk. Innovation. The concept of cryptocurrencies has sparked innovation in various industries beyond finance, including healthcare, gaming, and more. They've also paved the way for the development of new financial tools and technologies. In essence, cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that operate on decentralized networks secured by cryptography and recorded on the blockchain. They have the potential to reshape the financial landscape and offer unique opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. I know for some of you, the crypto space may sound complicated or perhaps overwhelming. However, I encourage you to continue to watch and learn. Soon, we will be setting up wallets and performing transactions with ease. That's all we have for you in this video. We will see you in the next one.